So friends, continuing with the topic trigonometry. This is for standard 10. Before watching this video and solving the problems, kindly go through the previous videos, part 1 to part 4, and then continue with this video. Let's start with example 1. If sec theta is equal to 25 by 7, find the value of tan theta. Okay, now sec theta, the value of sec theta is given. Tan theta, he has asked us to find out the value of tan theta. Always, even if you know, I always tell students, even if you know these things, make a habit of writing in detail, order wise, like start with whatever is given to you. The title is given data, sec theta is 25 by 7, because remember in your exam you have step marking, so even if you get correct answers you might not get full marks, so don't skip any steps, go in detail. Here we have to find out the value of tan theta. We have a relationship between tan theta and sec theta. Do you remember this? In last video we proved this and I told you to highlight this. It's an important formula. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 25 by 7 whole square, because sec theta is 25 by 7. So next will be like tan square theta is equal to 25 square upon 7 square, so it will be 625 upon 49 minus 1, so it will be 625. 49 multiplied by 1, so it is minus 49 divided by 49, so tan square theta is equal to 576 upon 49, and hence the value of tan theta is 24 by 7. Friends, one more thing, important thing to be highlighted, such type of problems, value of some like trigonometric function is given, sec theta or sin theta, and some other value is asked. Such type of problem do occur, or they are frequently asked in your state board exam. Okay, so those who belong to state board, Maharashtra state board, such problems are important for them. Fine. The next problem is question number 2. If 5 sin theta, friends, just focus here, this is 5 into sin theta, correct? That you can also read it as 5 times sin theta, correct? Okay, so 5 times sin theta minus 12 cos theta is equal to 0. Find the value of sec theta and cosec theta, correct? So let us start with whatever things are given to us. We are being given 5 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. I'll shift this cos theta to right hand side, so it will be 5 sin theta is equal to 12 cos theta. Sin theta, just cos theta, divide both sides by cos theta, or you can say bring this cos theta to left hand side and this 5 will move on to right hand side, so it is sin theta upon cos theta is equal to this 12 as it is divided by 5. But we all know a very easy formula, basic, sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta is equal to 12 upon 5. This is not final answer, it is one of the important result or answer we got. Tan theta value is 12 upon 5. Okay. Next is, now we have the value of tan theta, so what you can do is again use this formula. I told you previously that this formula shall be frequently used, so remember this. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now tan square theta, the value 12 by 5 I just now found out, so it is 1 plus 12 upon 5 whole square is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus 12 square is 144 divided by 25 is equal to sec square theta. If you solve this, the final answer, that is sec square theta, is 169 by 25, and we get sec theta as under root of 169 by 25. So first answer which we got is 13 by 5. This was asked to us that first find the value of sec theta. So one answer we have got it. Now let's proceed with next is he has asked us to find cosec theta. Now before going to cosec, I know just remember cosec is what? It is 1 upon sine theta. So my target will be to reach to sine theta. Before, how can I reach to sine theta? I have sec theta value, so I can get cos theta. Cos theta is inverse of sec theta or 1 upon sec theta, that is 1 upon 13 by 5. So that is equal to 5 by 13. Cos theta answer हमको मिल गया. Now the next is again this using this important relation, trigonometric equation, okay, or identity. I can more specific, it's an identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos theta answer we have. Now we need to calculate the value of sin theta. So sin square theta will be 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus 5 by 13 whole square because it's square, 1 minus 25 by 169, and finally you will get through, if you solve this and take under root, you will get sin theta is equal to 12 upon 13. Now sin theta is known to us, cosec theta is inverse of sine, so it is cosec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Hope you are getting this. Let's continue with question number 3. The value of tan theta is given to me 3 by 4. Find the value of sec theta and cos theta. Okay, the same type pattern problem. Tan theta is known to us. When tan theta is known, I have this formula by which I can get sec theta answer. So if you solve in this way, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and finally you will get sec theta is equal to 5 by 4. I am deliberately moving fast because it's same type of problem, the same formula. So hope my 10th standard students are comfortable with solving such problem. So sec theta is equal to 5 by 4 and sec theta is known to us. So the next step will be cos theta is inverse of this, that is 4 upon 5. Hope you got this. Okay, now friends, I'll go slow. There is one more method to solve this problem. See, tan theta is given as 3 by 4, correct? Rest, whatever things he has asked, just leave it apart. Whatever the things which are given to us, that is tan theta is 3 by 4. Now consider a triangle ABC. Okay, this is right angle, and you can assume this angle. I have assumed this angle as theta. Now if tan theta is 3 by 4, you know, do you remember tan theta, the formula is opposite side or the height or the perpendicular upon base, correct? So therefore I have taken the perpendicular as 3, okay, and the horizontal or the base as 4, because tan theta is 3 by 4. So this side will be 3 and the base will be 4, correct? Now if you look at this triangle, length AC is 3, length BC is 4. Now can you find out if it's a right angle triangle? Can you apply Pythagoras theorem to it, which you studied in standard 5? I hope you know this very well. So therefore AB, correct, this is hypotenuse. So AB square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Okay, so therefore it is 3 square plus 4 square. So AB square is 25 and AB will be equal to 5. That is, this particular distance AB or the hypotenuse we found out to be 5. Now you got this. अगर उन्होंने tan थीटा कुछ अलग दिया रहता था तो ये नंबर बदल जाते थे और हाइपोटेन्यूज का लेंथ भी बदल जाएगा. 3 by 4. Are you getting? Okay, now the other side. See, now we have all the 3 sides of this triangle. Now it's very easy. Theta, tan theta was given to us. Now I want cos theta. So what will be cos theta by definition? See, cos theta is adjacent side. okay, adjacent side, or you can say the base upon hypotenuse. Now the base is 4 upon hypotenuse is 5. So direct, when you have all the three values, any ratio can be calculated. It's actually very easy. Okay, so sec theta now is inverse of this, that is 5 by 4. Friends, see, this is one of the way by using formulas, and this is also I have used formulas, but it's, you can imagine this, you can draw this triangle, tan theta was given, so perpendicular side base, then I applied Pythagoras, I got the third side, and when once three sides are known, you can ask me any ratio, any trigonometric ratio or any trigonometric value, I can answer you. Okay, this is how it can be done. This is method 2 for you. Fine, dear friends, something written, can you see written over there, for you? That means what? You have to solve this by yourself and let me know the answers. Kindly send me photos of your notebook when you solve these problems. Just take a snap and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Hope you all have my number. I'll write here for you again, 9422193395. So just send me photograph of your solved examples. The first question for you is, if cot theta is 40 by 9. Now what is cot? Cot is 1 upon tan theta. So in short, he has given us tan theta value इससे मिल जाएगा. Find sin theta and cosec theta. Hope, or the other way around, you have cot theta value, there is a relation between cot and cosec. You remember, you need to watch our previous video so that you will get that formula and you can solve. Second question is, if cos theta is root 3 by 2, find the value of 1 minus sec theta upon 1 plus cosec theta. Okay, the third question for you is, 5 times sec theta minus 12 times cosec theta is equal to 0. A similar problem we solved. Find the value of sec theta and cos theta and sin theta. Correct? So these are three problems for your homework. Now friends, a very important chart in front of you. See, this column is for trigonometric ratio. Correct? And this is angle theta. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. Friends, I have restricted this angle up to 90. There are angles beyond 90 also, and we have values, but in this particular video I am expecting you not to go ahead, just try to learn this chart in front of you. Okay, that is angle up to 90, and also I have restricted the ratios only up to 3, that is sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Fine. In your textbook, in both NCERT, CBSE or any book, you will find that there are more ratios like cosec, then you have sec theta and you have cot theta also. I have deliberately not written those three ratios. You just concentrate on these three first. Okay, so sin theta. Now how? First understand this. If the value of theta is 0, then sin of 0 is equal to 0. Sin of 30, now this 30 degree, so if theta angle is 30 degree, then sin of 30 degree is 1 by 2. These are standard results. Okay, sin of 45 is 1 by root 2, sin of 60 root 3 by 2, and sin of 90 is 1. Correct? In the same fashion, cos theta. Friends, one easy way to remember, see, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1, and cos theta, the values are reversed. Like this one will come over here, root 3 by 2 here, 1 upon root 2 common, then here 1 by 2 and then 0. Just design your own method to remember this. That's it. I'm not concerned how you remember. I'm concerned with whether you know this and you recollect it without looking. That's it. Tan theta is tan of 0 is 0, tan of 30 degree is 1 by root 3, tan of 45 degree is 1, then root 3, and next is not defined. not defined is tan of 90. See, I'll just explain in short. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. If sin theta is 1, cos theta is 0, here it will be 1 upon 0, and 1 upon 0 is infinity, and therefore I have written here it's not defined. Correct? You have to learn this chart very well. Okay, so along with this homework I have given this chart, so this is again a homework for you. You have to remember this chart. Fine. Okay, let's continue further. See, find the value of 2 tan square 45 sin square 60 minus cos square 30. Some students have habit, they rush on the problem, and what they do is tan of 45 into 2 sin of 60 into 2. ऐसा कुछ भी करना नहीं है. ये tan square और एंगल का वैल्यू 45 है. tan, और आप इसको ऐसा भी पढ़ सकते हो, tan of 45 whole square, or I can read it as tan square 45. Correct? Okay, now the chart you have to use here. See, you have to just find the value of this given relation or equation. Tan 2 multiplied by tan of 45. Now tan of 45, the value is 1, where from just few minutes back I showed you. So see this, tan of, here it is tan of 45. So tan of 45 is 1. So that's what I have substituted here. It is 1 square. Sin of 60 square. Now see here in this chart, sin of 60 is root 3 by 2. So here root 3 by 2 whole square minus cos of 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. Now if you solve this, this is 2 multiplied by 1 square, that is 2, plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 will get cancelled. So answer will be 2. A very simple basic problem for you. Okay, let's continue with next question. Show that sec theta plus tan theta whole square is equal to 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. फ्रेंड्स देखो, ये प्रॉब्लम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के जब आप देखते हो तो आपका ऐसा लगेगा ये कैसे सॉल्व करना है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. इसका एक प्राइमरी रूल है, एक सूत्र है, बेसिक सिंपल रूल इज स्टार्ट सब्सटीट्यूटिंग द वैल्यूज, consider the left hand side and start solving it and try to reach to the values given on right hand side. कुछ ना कुछ आपको वहाँ पे लिंक लगेगा, कुछ हिंट मिल जाएगा, आपको याद आ जाएगा, and you can solve. And it's not necessary that in your examination you are going to get the same problems. There will be variety. Fine. So you have to see, remember, you have to be very much confident while solving these problems and make habit of solving new problems. Okay. LHS, now see this particular problem, sec theta plus tan theta whole square. I am considering left hand side, it is given. Okay, so now I'll put the values. Sec theta is what? It is 1 upon cos theta, and plus tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, bracket square. Okay, is equal to, now friends, this is not the right hand side, it's just I'm continuing the problem on both the side. I'm using this page completely. Okay, so that's why I've written this side. Don't consider that this is right hand side. This particular step, when solved, you will get this. Okay, so this is 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. Can you see the denominators are same? So simply numerators will be added, so it will be 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta whole square. Correct? So next step is 1 plus sin theta whole square upon cos square. What I have done is, see here, the numerator is 1 plus sin theta, सेपरेट कर दिया, और नीचे वाला cos theta है उसको सेपरेट कर दिया, और ये स्क्वायर लिखा है. समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, नाउ दिस इज 1 प्लस साइन थीटा होल स्क्वायर एज इट इज़, ये ऊपर वाला जैसे कि वैसा लिखा है. अब नीचे जो cos स्क्वायर थीटा था, आपको फॉर्मूला याद है, cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा 1 रहता है, तो cos स्क्वायर थीटा इज़ 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, तो ये आ गया. एक नीचे का cos स्क्वायर थीटा को हटा के हमने 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा लिखा है. करेक्ट? ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ कंटिन्यूइंग विथ सेम, अगेन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ही फिर से रिपीट लिखा है मैंने, वो कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ मैं। 1 प्लस साइन थीटा होल स्क्वायर ऊपर जैसे के वैसा लिखा है, और नीचे 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा। अब फ्रेंड्स इसको ऐसे लिखे तो चलेगा, देखिए 1 स्क्वायर माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, बात तो एक ही है। आई हैवंट चेंज द वैल्यूज, सिर्फ मैं लिखने का तरीका बदल दिया है। 1 स्क्वायर माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा। डू यू रिमेंबर द फॉर्मूला ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर? तो ये डिनोमिनेटर में आपको अप्लाई करना है। तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 1 प्लस साइन थीटा होल स्क्वायर अपॉन, नीचे क्या आएगा डिनोमिनेटर में, ए प्लस बी, ए माइनस बी, तो 1 प्लस साइन थीटा 1 माइनस साइन थीटा। ऊपर 1 प्लस साइन थीटा होल स्क्वायर है, तो एक 1 प्लस साइन थीटा कैंसिल हो जाएगा और ऊपर में एक बचेगा, दैट इज 1 प्लस साइन थीटा स्क्वायर था, एक कैंसिल, ऊपर और नीचे वाला ब्रैकेट कैंसिल हो गया, और नीचे बचा 1 माइनस साइन थीटा, दैट इज़ वी गॉट 1 प्लस साइन थीटा अपॉन 1 माइनस साइन थीटा। और यही हमारा राइट हैंड साइड था, ये हमको प्रूव करना था, एंड हेंस वी हैव प्रूव्ड द रिजल्ट। Yes, let's continue with next problem. Prove that sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. When friends, when I looked at this problem, when I was solving this, it looked funny. See, sec square theta plus cos square theta, he has asked us to prove it as sec square theta into cosec square theta. It looks funny, but it's correct. I have checked it twice, it's absolutely correct, and we'll prove it. Let's start with our left hand side. Left hand side is sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Now what is sec square theta? It is 1 upon cos square theta plus 1 upon sin square theta, correct? So that is equal to sin square. How come this result? See, it's simple. 1 upon cos square plus 1 upon sin square, you have to cross multiply it, so it will be sin square theta plus this cos square theta upon sin square into cos square. Got this? Denominator multiplication. Okay, now the next step. Do you remember sin square theta plus cos square theta? Its value is 1. It's an identity, trigonometric identity, so the answer is 1. Fine. Okay, so this is 1 upon sin square theta into cos square theta. Now simply some adjustment, what I will do is 1 upon cos square theta multiplied by 1 upon sin square theta. I have simply separated the two terms, बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन दिया और 1 अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 1 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर थीटा लिखा। अगर इसको आपने सॉल्व किया तो ये आ जाता है, सो वी हैव डन इट करेक्टली। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज 1 अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. Now what will be the answer? Like 1 upon cos square is sec square theta multiplied by 1 upon sin square is cosec square theta, and this was actually the result which was required, which is our right hand side, and hence we have proved which he was expecting. Okay, friends, next problem. If sine of 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2, my dear friends, just focus here. This is sine of 2 theta. इसको ऐसा मत समझना ये 2 टाइम्स साइन थीटा, बहुत सारे मतलब है, ये स्क्वायर भी नहीं है। इसका मतलब ये होता है थीटा का एक वैल्यू है 2 टाइम्स ऑफ थीटा, वो जो आंसर आएगा उसका साइन ऑफ दैट एंगल. Are you getting? So therefore remember you have to put necessarily brackets over here. So it is sine of 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. Then find the value of theta. Fine. Where also remember this, the angle here he says that it is less than 90 degree, ये उसने दिया है, बरोबर. Let us start what he has given. Sine of 2 theta is 1 by 2. Can you remember the chart? The chart says that sine of 30 degree is 1 by 2, correct? Sine of 30 is 1 by 2 and sine of 2 theta is 1 by 2 उन्होंने दिया है. तो अगर आप ये दो इक्वेशंस को देखोगे तो राइट हैंड साइड्स आर इक्वल, सो वी कैन इक्वेट द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड्स एंड विल गेट as equating 1 and 2, sine of 2 theta is equal to sine of 30, so therefore 2 theta is 30, so therefore theta is 15 degrees. Quite simple problem. Now my dear friends, some problems for you. These are again 3 problems for your homework. If tan theta is equal to 12 by 15, find the value of sec theta and sin theta. Expecting solutions of this problem from your side. Send me snaps on my WhatsApp number. Okay, next second question homework. Sin theta is 11 by 61. Find the value of cos theta. Question number 3. Find the value of tan theta upon sin cube theta upon cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta. ये प्रॉब्लम दिखने को थोड़ा टफ लगेगा, चिंता नहीं करना है. इसको क्या करो, पहले डिनोमिनेटर को सॉल्व करना है. ये कॉस थीटा को यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करो, फिर बाद में कुछ कैंसिल होगा और फाइनली ऊपर टैन थीटा को पहले कुछ नहीं करो. डोंट ब्रेक इट, कीप इट एज इट इज़. डिनोमिनेटर पर ध्यान दो, उसको सॉल्व करो. यू विल श्योरली इन 3 to 4 steps यू विल गेट अ हिंट और यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. ओके फ्रेंड्स, एक प्रॉब्लम आपके लिए पेपर पर सामने दिख रहा है. इस प्रकार से भी एग्ज़ाम में क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है जिसमें कुछ ब्रैकेट्स दी जाती है, आपको सिर्फ वो ब्रैकेट में एम्प्टी ब्रैकेट्स को फिल करना है. करेक्ट. देखिए क्या पूछा है. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग एक्टिविटी टू प्रूव दैट 1 प्लस साइन ए अपॉन कॉस ए प्लस 1 प्लस कॉस ए प्लस कॉस ए अपॉन 1 प्लस साइन ए इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स सेक ए. करेक्ट. सो आपको क्या करना है, अभी ये इसमें आपको कुछ नया स्टेप्स लिखना नहीं है. ये जहाँ एम्प्टी ब्रैकेट्स है तो वहाँ पे डेटा भरना है. जैसे ये देखिए, ये मैंने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड उन्होंने लिख के दिया है इज़ इक्वल टू. अब क्या करना है, ये 1 प्लस साइन है और ये 1 प्लस साइन है, ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, तो 1 प्लस साइन है स्क्वायर बरोबर प्लस यहाँ कॉस ए तो यहाँ हो जाएगा कॉस स्क्वायर ए या कॉस ए होल स्क्वायर. करेक्ट. बाद में ये जो अंदर यहाँ पर आपको ब्रैकेट में आंसर मिलेगा वहाँ पे a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला लगाओ, तो a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर, और ये वाला ब्रैकेट एज इट इज़. डिनोमिनेटर वैसे के वैसा रखना है. फिर आप देखोगे ये दोनों मिला के कुछ आंसर आएगा. ठीक है. और यहाँ पर 2 टाइम्स कुछ आएगा. आप ट्राई करो बरोबर. ये ब्रैकेट्स को आपको एम्प्टी ब्रैकेट्स को फिल करना है एंड यू आर सपोज टू गेट अ फाइनल आंसर. ये देखिए, ये लास्ट में 3 स्टेप्स तो उन्होंने करके ही दिया है. आपको सिर्फ यहाँ पे 1, 2 एंड 3, ये 3 और ये 4 से 5 ब्रैकेट फिल करना है एंड इट्स एन वेरी इजी प्रॉब्लम. you can solve, rather you have to solve this problem. Okay, fine, I'll just stop here. We'll continue with next video on the same topic. If you have any doubts, kindly feel very free to talk to me or message me on WhatsApp. Whenever I am free, I'll get back to you. Okay, till then, bye bye.